If you are surfing the internet on a public Wi-Fi, always assume someone is watching you. Malaysia's National Cybersecurity Agency, Cybersecurity Malaysia, said hackers could position themselves between a person's device and the Wi-Fi router to record sensitive data that the surfer is keying into his device. Hackers can also create their own Wi-Fi and trick people into thinking that they are connected to a credible public access point. Cybersecurity Malaysia has this year recorded 8 instances where private Wi-Fi networks were hacked and up to 1,462 cases of online intrusions. This nearly doubled compared to the same period in 2015. LE Global Services, or LGMS, a firm which employs hackers to test the network security of some of Malaysia's biggest banks, demonstrated how a hacker could steal information from a public Wi-Fi.
What we have done is we're actually using a laptop to set up a fake access point. Now this access point is given a name. The name of this access point is to imitate a very famous cafe franchise over here. So what's CK have here is actually a sniffer. A sniffer is basically a workstation that loaded up with a software that monitor what is the traffic that's flowing back and forth on this fake wireless access point. So in another word, if anyone connected to our fake access point, we will have a glimpse of what have they been doing over the internet over here. If they're sending out emails, we try to capture the attachment, and whatever things that users sending back and forth through the internet can be captured using this method.
Once a device is connected to their dummy Wi-Fi, hackers are able to see everything you are doing in your device, including your passwords, username, and credit card information. He said the person who is being hacked will not be able to tell whether he is using a fake Wi-Fi network.
Probably the owner of the device will see 2 names, and then he won't be able to tell which one is real and which one is fake.
Fong advised users to avoid connecting to public Wi-Fi or to only limit their browsing to internet searches if they must connect to one.
You don't go to your bank, log into your bank accounts, don't even log on to Facebook when you're on an open wireless access point. Okay. Because you will never know who is actually owns the access point. It could be hackers who own it. Okay. You just have to be very sure if you ever want to connect to a wireless access point in the public, you have to be very sure this access point really belongs to the restaurant, belongs to whoever.
LGMS also suggested that users subscribe to virtual private network or VPN technologies to secure their information traffic.